So I just made some magnesium methoxide via electrolysis. The electrode is blocked by the methoxide and it stops conducting. But if you use high frequency AC, then it goes all the way and it converts the salt into methoxide, and it's actually metal colored. Then the goal is you mix it with a liquid ester of your choice, like put it with glycerin, terephthalate. If you put it with a weaker acid, terephthalate is a strong acid. So you think you have to put it with the strongest acid you can. If you put it with a weaker acid like citrate, it'll probably be water soluble. But apart from that, if you like micro nano together a weak material with a strong material, it's the weakest link which will make it weaker. So if you're making a compound or a mixture of different materials, they should all be strong. Unless they're all strong, then it's going to wreck it. Yeah, so magnesium methoxide I think is strong. So, but you want to mix it with the strongest plastic acid you can, otherwise it won't be any good. Yeah, even though it's more than just strength to esters, it's more than just strength and metals and acids and alcohols. There's also more characteristics. There's like shape memory. There's the elasticity is like different with different things. Everything elasts actually slightly differently from each other. So like with the magnesium methoxide, that's going to impose a lot of inflexibility. But you might not mind. But if I use terephthalate, that's going to be really flexible and really good at everything. So I'm probably best off with that, because it's something they make Coke bottles from. But if I use another acid, it would still be alright, because if I use citric, it's still pretty good. It's actually like a really good shock absorber. But the problem is it's water soluble. So I could try butyrate. Butyric acid is actually pretty good. It wouldn't be as strong as terephthalate, or I could use rosin. Rosin is like terephthalate when it comes to water solubility. Yeah. Rosin even won't dissolve in ethanol, it's very non-polar. Probably wouldn't be as strong as terephthalate, but you could use rosin as well if you wanted it more homemade maybe. But I suppose if you wanted the strongest you could possibly get it, use terephthalate. Snip up Coke bottles and do it with the Coke bottles instead. And the goal is you don't just, the way you make one of these materials is you got to form a compound, you got to make a molecule, and then it's a better material. So it's better elasticity. That D3O stuff, that really good shock absorber, that would be a molecule. 99% sure, because, not that I know, because molecules just exhibit better properties than mixtures, but people do still use mixtures, like fiberglass is a mixture. Some mixtures, if I say mixtures are bad, I'm just saying usually a compound's better, but mixtures can be good too. Yeah, when you're making a composite material, they can be pretty good mixtures too. Material science, Maxwell and Simon.